What's up, guys? This is Corey from New York. Hope everybody's having a nice day so far. I pre-ordered something months ago, probably like March, and it came in the mail today, so I decided instead of just opening it up, I would do it on camera and share the excitement with you guys. I just can't help myself with these things. You'll see what I mean. So you can see on the box, this comes from Full Circle Distribution, which is a skateboard company. They're out of California, which would make sense. So, a little bit of unboxing for you guys. I'm sure you guys come back for the production quality. Here we are. This is the Madrid Full Circle Distribution Texas Chainsaw Massacre Skateboard. This is the pool deck version. They only made 500 of these. Last I looked, I think there's still some left on the website. So if any of you guys are interested, you might be able to grab one. This was, I think, $100, which isn't that bad, in my opinion. It's 3D, so it comes with glasses, comes with some other swag in here, as you can see. Little leather face sticker or postcard or something like that. Some stickers. It's pretty sweet. They actually have like, I don't know, 10 different designs. One of them is shaped like a chainsaw. This is the one that stood out to me the most. I just like the 3D effect. I think it's really cool. So let me unwrap this and we'll take a look at what's in the packaging here. Try not to scratch the board itself. Okay, let's do this so everything doesn't all fall out. Alright, so looks like it is a sticker. Mr. Leatherface himself. 3D glasses. Not just any 3D glasses. These ones say Texas Chainsaw Massacre Madrid on them. So, very cool. Haven't worn one of these in a long time. Made in the USA. And a certificate of authenticity. Mine is number 44 of 500. On the back it says, "Who will survive and what will be left of them?" The Texas Chainsaw Massacre. And that is the slogan that was on the poster. It was inspected by the Department of Agriculture. So, okay. At least it's got their seal of approval. And last but not least, there's this thing which they wrapped around it. Oh, and it looks like another sticker. A van. You might recognize this van from the movie. This like packaging that's wrapped around it. This has got like, there's like a hair in the finish of this. I hope it's not in the paint. It looks like it is. So it comes with a hair. Hopefully I can get that out. If not, I don't know. I could try and touch it up, or if I pull it out, I'm afraid it's going to take the paint off with it. So the Department of U.S. Agriculture missed that, apparently. So take a look at this with the glasses on, get the full effect here. I don't know if this would work. I doubt it, but let's see. Oh, it's like he's coming right at you. So, overall, really cool. Disappointed that there's a freaking hair in the finish of it, but what can you do? It's actually on the side. You're not going to see when it's hanging up anyways, so I'm not going to ride this around. It's going on my wall. So that's my unboxing video for this. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Sorry my production quality, as always, leaves a little bit to be desired. But thank you anyways, and everybody have a nice day.